All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
So I'm staying here, guys. Looks really beautiful. It has rooms that way. It's a kitchen there, right there. It has upstairs. It's a big hotel. Yeah. Actually, it's my first time to stay in a hotel. Yeah, it was really good touch, you see. Very good. Super detailed. Yeah. So I'm in Barranquilla and I want to go have some food, eat. Wow, they have real flowers, man. Real ones. This is a real flower. And very nice Colombian finca. You know, that's a finca. Yeah. I love this place. Looks. Yeah. Buenas. Hey, buenas. Solo ya. ¿Yo? Caminando aquí. Okay. So just like that, I'm in El Centro. Yeah, just like far. Actually, I'm staying downtown. I wanna eat here. Amigo, ¿cuál comida? Sí, yo soy blogger. Yo blogger. I'm telling him I'm a blogger. Yeah. ¿Qué comida de desayuno?
Desayuno. Hay caldo de pollo.
Okay.
Sopa de pollo.
Okay. No, frijoles.
Frijoles.
Sí, I wanna eat some beans. For some energy. Okay. See, I always sit here, I don't know. This is how it looks like, and the whole restaurant. But I always sit here. Yeah, I'm gonna have some breakfast, then from there walk around the streets, show you things about Barranquilla, what to do. The cost of food here is really cheap. Barranquilla is actually very cheap because generally, I think somebody messed up the floor. Right there. So Barranquilla is a bit cheap
Hay con
actually.
albóndiga,
Okay, ¿cuál amigo?
hay con albóndiga, frijoles.
Sí, frijoles, pero nada de cerdo.
Ajá.
Yeah. So I'm telling him nothing to do with pork because I don't eat pork. Yeah. So yeah, Rosh came cleaning. He's cleaning the. Oh, she cleaned up. Yeah. So I'm just excited here to have some breakfast and then I'll be exploring Barranquilla. I don't know how long I want to stay here honestly, but I'm meeting a friend today. If she convinces me to stay longer, I'll stay, you know. Yeah. Next stop will be Santa Marta. Then from there, I'll go to Bogota and show you a lot of videos that I've not uploaded. Like Cartagena nightlife is not out, Pereira, many videos, you know, I'll be showing you, man. So please subscribe to my channel for more weekly videos. Not actually weekly, but daily videos. Let's do it, man. Subscribe, come on, subscribe. So my breakfast is here. They always give you soup, very healthy soup. And they have here everything as you see. I even don't know what I'm eating today, honestly. This food is, yeah, man, see? Yeah. Everything you're seeing here is 8,000 Colombian pesos, which is around $2 and a half. Because $1 is 3,200. So this is $2.50 breakfast, you know. So I'm gonna eat here and smash it really. Yeah, look how it looks like, man. Wow. And right here, I don't know actually if this is beef. And there's some beans right here. And we have right there. Yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a like. That's Colombia, living cheap and having the best life, you know. You wanna eat good, sleep good. I think I've shown you the hotel I'm staying. I'm paying actually like $15 a night. Not like actually $15 a night. And the food I'm paying $2.50, you know. And man, you just wanna come here, you know. Yeah.
Son 30, 32 guarras. ¡Ey, limones grandes!
Vidrio templado a 3 a 3.000. Vidrio templado a 3, amigos, amiguitas. Sí, adelante, aprovecha la promoción, la oferta, precios de locura. Barranquilla, aprovecha. Vidrio templado a 3.000, a 3 a 3.000. Tenemos el cable, el cargador, todo un precio totalmente relajado para Barranquilla, aprovecha. Vidrio templado a 3 a 3.
Actually, I live right in Plaza Ventura. This place looks really tricky, man. Yeah, very tricky. Very.
nuez moscada, leche y hielo granizado. Espesito, delicioso, todo en un mismo vaso. Disfruta del delicioso jugo de amor. Es el jugo del amor. Si deseas pensado, te sientes de informe, un delicioso jugo de
Vidrio templado aquí.
Por solo 1.000 pesitos es potencia total. ¡Claro! Y con el delicioso jugo de rojo. Además, fortalece tu cerebro en piscina.
First eat, then have a shake, right? Pasta.